Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody was asking a question how they can mathematically move a six-sided polygon around. Well, you can see it's 6 inches wide, so we can set our nudge factor on 6 inches. And we Control D and make a duplicate, and we can move it over. Now you could always, that's easy, but the other measurement is 6.928. You could always make a duplicate and grab it right there on that 4-point corner, and if you have snap to object, it's going to snap to it. But how to do it mathematically? Well, mathematically, the height of it is 6.928 divided by 2, which give you half of it, equals 3.464 plus 1.73. And 1.73 is this gap right here. So you could bring in an indexing line and have it snap to that gap, get your 2-point line, and go straight up, and you get the 1.73. So you need to go, that number is 5.194. And then you nudge that up, Control D and nudge it up. Now it's over, but you could take your nudge factor and go back 3 inches, which is the size of the half the polygon. Now, if you go here and you've still got it set on 3 inches, you could Control D and move it twice, and then you would have 4 of them made, and you could keep going that away forever. Let's go Control D and just nudge it a couple of times. Now we can go back to that 5.194 nudge, Control D and make a duplicate and nudge it twice. And you keep making your pattern like that. And you could just keep going forever once you've set that up. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. Thank you for watching.